How to fix Roblox low memory warning on iPhone and iPad. So the very first thing that you want to do is log in and open up your Roblox application. Go to any of your favorite experiences or game, and then from there, make sure to play along with the graphics quality. So decent one is at least two signal bars, three, but if it's not affecting the performance of the phone, if it's too laggy, then just leave it as the zero. Next thing to do is to go ahead and head it straight into your phone home. Then the next thing to do is to clear data cache from the Roblox application itself. Just simply head straight into your phone settings. Now from your phone settings, scroll all the way down and then go to apps. In here, just locate the Roblox application, or you could also try to use the search box and typing in Roblox. Now tap Roblox. From here, this is where you can clear data cache and cookies from the application itself. If the problem that you encounter is just some kinds of glitches or bugs. So those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Roblox low memory warning on iPhone and iPad.